Hello, let's solve this Olympiad exam exponential equation for the value of x, which is raised to the power of 4. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. From this expression, what do you think you can do if you want to truly get the value of x? Definitely, we have the value of x, which is the a variable that is being found on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side. So to solve this, we're going to take the left-hand side to the right-hand side. And if we take the value of the left-hand side or the right-hand side back to the left-hand side, we'll have this expression to now give us x to the power of 4, right? Minus x minus 4 all to the power of 4, and this will be equal to 0. Now in the next step, we're going to simplify such that we can simply apply algebraic expression in solving this question. So if we simplify, we're going to have the value of 4 to be equal to 2 multiplied by 2. That's a known fact. So this expression will now give us x squared, right? All multiplied by 2. And definitely, if the two exponents multiply, we'll get x to the power of 4. This will also expand to give us x minus 4 all squared, and this will be what? All squared, and this will be equal to 0. Good. Now, having expanded this, in the next step, we are going to simplify further. In the next step, if I simplify, we're going to apply a simple algebraic formula. Remember the diff of 2 square. If I have a square minus b square, right, this can be equal to a minus b, right? And this can be equal to a plus what? Multiplied by a plus b. From that expression, our a is equal to x squared and our b is equal to x minus 4 what? Square. So what we are simply going to do is substitute the value of x squared and x minus 4 square. So if we do that, that expression will give us the first value. We're going to have the value of our x squared, which is a as x squared, right, minus x minus 4 square, and all this will be closed bracket, multiplied by, we have our x squared plus x minus 4 all squared, and this will be what? Equal to 0. Great. Now, having done that, we're going to simplify further. If we simplify further, we are going to concentrate on expanding this because we have x minus 4 squared, which can be expanded. So if we expand this, we are going to have that expression to now give us, this whole expression will now give us x squared. If we expand this, we are going to have multiplied by negative x squared, right? X times x will give us x squared, x times 4 will give us minus 4x, and minus 4x minus 4x is going to give us negative 8x, right? If we expand, and that will be plus 16, right? And this whole thing will be what? Will be multiplied by x squared plus the same thing, x squared minus 8x plus 16, right? And all these will be equal to 0. Great. Now from that expression, we can simply expand further. To expand further, we're going to have this to become x squared. Negative multiply everything in the bracket. We have negative times x squared will give us negative x squared. Negative times negative will give us plus 8x, right? And this will give us minus 16. And this will be multiplied by expanding this, we'll have x squared plus x squared minus 8x plus 16, and all these will be equal to 0. Good. Now if we simplify this, you'll come to see that this will simply clear off this, and then in that expression we'll be left with 8x minus 16, and over here we'll be left with 2x squared, right, minus 8x plus 16, and all this will be equal to 0. So this is more of a zero product rule. So considering that, we are going to have the first expression to now give us, the first expression will give us 8x minus 16 equal to 0. And the second expression is the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. Good. Now we're going to simplify the first expression. If we simplify the first expression by adding 16 to both sides, we'll have this expression to now give us 8x equal to 16. Divide both sides by 8 to find the value of x, and while this clears this, the value of our x will be equal to 16 divided by 8 will definitely give us 2. So 2 is the first real solution to that mathematics expression given to us here. So to simplify this, we are simply going to divide both sides by 2. If you divide both sides by 2, this will remain x squared minus 8 divided by 2 is 4x plus 16 divided by 2 is 8, and this will be equal to 0. Now, can we simplify using factorization method? No, it isn't possible. Now, we're going to use the quadratic formula. Using the quadratic formula, we can compare these to ax squared plus bx plus c, and this will be equal to 0. From that expression, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 4, and c can be compared to what? To 8. Great. Now, if we simplify that by substituting this into the quadratic formula, the value of our x will be equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, given that and substituting the value of a, b, and c, we're going to have the value of our x to now be equal to negative multiplied by negative 4, right? And that will be plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8, which is c, and all this will be divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So to find the value of x, the value of our x will be equal to negative times negative will give us positive 4 plus or minus the square root of even square is going to give us 16. So we'll have 16 minus 4 times 8 is going to give us 32. 4 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So we'll have this divided by 2. So the value of our x will now be equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 32 is going to give us negative 16 divided by 2. So the value of our x will now be equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by the square root of negative 1. All of these divided by 2. What do we have? We have the value of our x to be equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 is going to give us 4, and the square root of negative 1 is going to give us j, and all these will be divided by 2 as a complex number. This is equal to 4 plus or minus 4i, and that expression is going to give us 4 divided by 2, right? 4 divided by 2 plus or minus 4j divided 2. While this clears to give us 2 plus or minus, this clears this to give us 2j. So our x will be equal to that. So having the first solution for x, our x2 will now be equal to 2 plus 2j, and then our x3 will be equal to 2 minus 2j. And these are the other two solutions to that expressions given to us. These two are imaginary or complex root solutions, while the only real solution is x equal to 2, which is what? Which is x1. Now I'm going to give you a task, and the task is simple. Take the value of x equal to 2, insert it into the original expression x to the power of 4 equal to x minus 4 to the power of 4. If the right hand side is equal to the left hand side, find out that, then we'll know our solution is absolutely right. So all you need to do is to tell us that in the comment section, and we'll be so glad to engage with you. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.